Okay, let's go look on a thickness modifier, and this is more simulated for the brush strokes that we want to use. A long stroke, this will go as strong is continuous, so we'll go to enable this one, and notice as I enable, the modification happen because our operation is add. So we want to change to the subtract, multiply, or blend. So notice right here I'm creating from 0 to next to the beginning, and if we modify subtracts, ours should be changed from the beginning to the end as the value is increasing. So we subtracting from beginning 0 and we subtracting on the end the maximum. So if we're going to multiply, it will reverse, so we'll multiplying on a 0, which is smaller, and we're going up higher. So and we have the same with the blend, will effect kind of apply almost like multiply in this case. To modify filter, you can double click to open the library of the filter, so you can preload it some you want it. Okay, for example, we can go with the steps. Okay, or you can go right click and edit filter by yourself. This will be also apply as your normal other filter. So we have it edit, copy, reset, load, save, or paste if you have it. So for example, I'm going to reset, kind of reset, and you can see this is linear. We're going to modify, we can add point and just selecting a little bit more smaller. So again, this is modifying filters, but if they don't apply, remember you need change type of the operation. And again, add will add all values, which is just make strong, subtract, and the value 0 and maximum, and it will subtract from beginning to the end, or multiply and add blend this way. Okay, we also have the options to the string opacity as usual, so similar things we can apply it. Okay, in this case we can apply different string of the strokes or go 100%. Okay, so let's go look on the light one, and light will work very similar, only work with the underlay light value of the pixel. So same things, if we're going to set subtract, if we have any underline right here, you see with a light more apply because the sun direction is going from this position. You can see based on this how was applying. So let's go to multiply. On this case we reverse, we'll have it value apply more on the light and a little bit darker on the shadows area where light does not apply it. It will kind of diminish based on our line. Okay, then next we'll have it normal. So this is based on the normals that underlie of the object materials. So same things, we'll go ahead, let's apply effect subtract, and right here you can see it based on the normals below. It will apply all our effect. So you can see in some cases it's nice looking sketchy effect if you want to achieve with this. Okay, depth will go from closest to the camera to far away. So same, if we give it closest, we have it smaller or light. So let's go actually reverse, go to multiply this way. Okay, and you can see closer to camera it's shortest, and far away right there we have it, the thicker lines, the more far away from us. Okay, the noise is applying effect to the line of the noise, but basically with a stroke thickness. So in some cases you can see we applied with very high octave, so we can increase 8, it will be our maximum, which is spread a little bit thinner, so right here. Now overall this is applied to the thickness of our line noise. So additional beside, like we have it before, you can apply additional noise to the thickness. And currently we're using round markers, so it's a very simple, but in some cases we have the same ability as we create noises or maybe watercolor. So just again options, we have a string of the effect applied, operator we're currently using subtract, add, or modify. We have dimensions, how many octaves of a noise, how fast frequencies happen, brightness, contrast, and also clipping for the noise. So if you don't want to have it very high noise, you want kind of constraint maybe in specific parameters, you can apply scale, clipping and scaling as well for your noise. This is global effects will apply it.